My dear friends and junior colleagues, today I'd like to share with you one session trial under section 302, that is murder, and section 326, that is causing grievous hurt, in which I assisted the prosecution side with the permission of the court and with no objection of DGP on behalf of state. The said session trial was my younger sister's father-in-law, Nandlalji Rathi, resident of Kauli Usad, was murdered by his friend Gangadhar Ingre, resident of Kauli Usad, who was classmate of the deceased and were studied up to M.Com in the 1951. The reason behind committing the murder was that the victim, the deceased, has not invited Gangadhar Ingre for lunch, and because of that, he committed murder on the subsequent day early in the morning at Kauli Vasad. It was a unique case rather. The facts of the prosecution story was that the accused entered in the house of the deceased, and when the deceased was sleeping in the central premises of the house, which were open as are in villages, and with the help of spear, he stabbed him several times, and thereafter, when the missus of the deceased, Srimati Vimla Bai, they come and try to protest the accused. That time, the accused had assaulted her, but by the sake of God, they were saved, and grievous injury was caused due to spear on their nose. And so far as mother of the deceased is concerned, she was luckily saved on that day. The accused entered in the house of the deceased at about 4 a.m. in the morning, and this entire drama goes on, entire process goes on for a period of 1.5 hours in the house of the deceased. To save himself from the villagers, the accused had taken an iron gamela on his head as the villagers started to hurt him by pelting stones. That time he used to assault the villagers with the spear. That means the accused was under full sin, and with intention and motive he had deliberately killed the deceased, forgetting the past relations. These were the facts of the case in short. As the deceased were in my relation, that is related as father-in-law of my younger sister, they had three sons, namely Vijay Kumar, Ghanshyam and Chandrasekhar that time. And with the permission of the court, initially I filed application. They insisted me initially to represent the state. I explained them the procedure, and accordingly I filed the application before the court. Without the consent of AGP or DGP on behalf of state, one can't assist the prosecution. But Sri Kevle were assisting the state that time, and Sri Kevle DGP gave me no objection, and court allowed my application. The said session trial was pending on the file of Sri Vasant L. Ruikar, Additional Session Judge, Amravati. He was a very rigid and strict man to some extent. The work of me was that I took the copy of charge sheet and used to prepare all the witnesses, a statement of witnesses, and for that I had gone to Kaulivasad several times along with Sundar Jiheda, whose daughter was given to Ghanshyam Rathi, was engaged that time with the son of deceased Ghanshyam Rathi. And 3-4 times all the 4-5 witnesses had came to my house and that time I have given them lunch also. They have took the dinner at my house also. In this way, I prepared all the witnesses, and defense lawyer was P.D. Augad. The session was in Pauper, and while conducting the evidence, the defense lawyer had not found not a single omission or contradiction or corroboration in the statement of any prosecution witness. And accordingly, the accused was punished with life for causing grievous hurt to the victim's wife, that is Srimati Vimla Bai. He was awarded punishment, and both the punishments done concurrently, and appeal was also filed. He was punished for life by the trial court, and thereafter the state goes in appeal, the accused goes in appeal, and there also the sentence was maintained. So my friend, what I want to say is, to assist the prosecution is also a different type of experience for a advocate which I have got in this session trial. So in my first part, as I stated, that this profession is a very laborious and style profession. So the reason behind that is we have to play all type of works in this profession. Sometimes we became court commissioner, sometimes we became court receiver, sometimes we have to escape many challenges while doing this profession. So for that we should have thorough depth of knowledge, thorough preparation of the case, and coupled with that we should have a command over the language, that is English, Hindi and Marathi. Thank you very much, friends. Have a nice day for sharing. Thank you very much for sharing the views with me. Have a nice day.